All right, today I picked up me a new wallet from Goyard. As you can see, it comes in a nice plush, soft, velvety bag for your wallet. Let's open it up and see what it got. This is the wallet. As you can see, it has the Goyard on it. It feels good. Smells good. Smells like leather. Let's open it up. Got the Goyard again. Nice packaging. You know what I'm saying? I like it. Nice wallet there. Again, good promotion. It has slots right here. Put your money in and everything. I just got it, so of course it's gonna be empty. But yeah, man, this is the Goyard wallet. This wallet cost me $800. Yes, I said it right. This is an $800 wallet. If you have a Goyard wallet, please comment below and let me know. Do you like your Goyard wallet? And please like and comment and share for more. I'm gonna unbox some more stuff I bought, but this is the first thing I got from Goyard. So yeah, thank you.